This Motorevo UF262 8-piece ignition coil pack is a direct fit for a wide range of General Motors trucks and sport utility vehicles with 4.8-liter, 5.3-liter, and 6.0-liter engines, making it a convenient one-box solution for full tune-ups. The coils use sturdy copper windings and a thick ceramic insulator that hold up well to underhood heat and vibration, which is especially important on high-mileage work trucks. Installation is straightforward because the mounting points and electrical connectors match the original equipment parts, so there is no need for modifications or special brackets. Once installed, these coils typically provide a smoother idle and more consistent throttle response compared with tired factory units, helping older engines feel noticeably fresher. Cold starts tend to become more reliable and misfires are reduced when these coils replace worn originals, which can also help protect catalytic converters over the long term. Getting 8 matched coils in one kit ensures even performance across all cylinders and simplifies preventive maintenance on multi-coil General Motors V8 engines.